If you want to add a map in Figma quickly and make it look clean and professional, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Figmap plugin to generate a custom map right inside your Figma or FigJam project. This is a super useful trick for UI design, event pages, location sections, dashboards, and any layout where you need a map without leaving Figma. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy design tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your project inside Figma or FigJam. Make sure you're in the file where you want the map to appear, because the plugin will place the map directly into your active design frame. Once your file is open, go down to the bottom toolbar and click on Actions. This is where Figma keeps plugins and quick tools that help speed up your workflow. After clicking Actions, use the search bar to find Figmap. Type in the plugin name, then run it. If it's your first time using it, Figma may ask for permission to open the plugin, so just approve that and wait for the plugin window to load. Once Figmap opens, you'll see a search field where you can enter the location you want to map. Now, type your target address, city, or landmark into the search bar. For example, you can enter a business location, a neighborhood, a famous place, or even a specific street. Figmap will use that search to locate the map area you want. This step is important because it determines exactly what part of the world your map will show. Next, customize the view so the map matches your design. You can change the zoom level to get a closer street-style view or a wider city view, depending on what your layout needs. You can also pick a style theme like light, dark, or outdoors. The theme you choose can completely change the feel of the map, so think about whether you want it to blend in with a minimal interface, a dark mode design, or a more natural outdoor look. After that, set the exact width and height values for the map. This is really useful if you want the map to fit perfectly inside a card, section, or mockup. Enter the dimensions you need so the output matches your design frame as closely as possible. Taking a moment to get the size right will save you time later and help the map drop in cleanly without extra resizing. Once everything looks good, click Draw Map to Figma. Figmap will then generate and render the custom map directly onto your active design frame. In just a moment, your map will appear inside your Figma project, ready for you to position, resize, and style as needed. From there, you can continue building your design around the map, add labels, buttons, pins, or surrounding content, and keep everything inside Figma without needing to export from another app. That's what makes this plugin so convenient. It keeps your workflow fast, simple, and all in one place. And that's it. You now know how to add a map on Figma using the Figmap plugin. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more Figma tips, design workflows, and quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.